Well, as a songwriter and artist, you know, you spend hours in the studio writing a song. Normally, like, you'll listen on an amazing speaker, you know, sound system, like, you know, a recording studio or something, but you always have to do a car test. You get in your car and you plug in your phone and you listen to this song that captured this moment in time with people that you really care about. And getting to like reflect on that and blasting it in the car and like, wow, we created that. That's pretty freaking cool.
Can you see it on my face? 'Cause I need you now. Is there anybody else? Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody else? Is there anybody out there? Why does every day make me feel some type of way, like I'm underground? There's something about it buried under
like a crying violin.
Baby, I'm wasting all my time.
This is my favorite when we go up. And then just hold, that's sustainable.
Then I can breathe it in from the sky. Take me back to skipping classes, second chances.
I met Danja through my manager. My manager told Danja about me and he seemed interested. And so I flew out to see him at the end of 2020 to Miami and worked with him for a couple of weeks, and we wrote and just like we were testing if we had chemistry or not, you know. And we did. I love like indie music. I love like alt music. I love bands. I love like walls of sound. I always battled with really allowing my voice to be at the forefront. He muted things. I was like, don't mute that. And basically created space. He created space for my voice to shine.
Make her feel like she's so pretty, prettier than the whole city. I wanna feel it forever.
A lot of artists do hide behind the music. I didn't want her to be shy. So that was the first goal. So let's get you right out here in the center stage and build these things around you.
Make it feel like we have never been so in love with each other. I wanna feel it forever. Reach for me, grab my hand. Friday nights I won't forget. High in love.
My vision for Underground was to have this sonic, intense adventure and journey. I was in a very vulnerable state, severely depressed, just grasping for anything. You hear the lyrics, searching for rainbows in the sky. It's like, I'm trying, but I don't see anything. Is there anyone out there?
Maybe feel some type of way, like I'm underground.
I think growing up as a queer kid and desperately needing representation in my life, I was always searching for hope. Society, for a lot of marginalized communities, tell you that you're wrong and that you don't belong. So to find community, people that feel the way you feel or have had similar experiences and getting to share that, that's like healing, that's growth, that's hope.
Anytime you get an opportunity to be honest in an album, I think that's something you have to lean into. It's a bold decision, but once you make that decision, I think immediately you connect with so many different people. And as an artist, you just want to connect so you can be heard, so people can relate, so people can heal with you, or people can heal on their own. You know, the creative process is medicine, but also listening.
While we were working on this album, I was going through immense health issues with having to kind of pull myself apart in my personal life of going, what's working, what's not working. So there was this like parallel universe going on within my music and with my personal life and my health. And I've come out more resilient, stronger, refined.
Even the writing process, you enter it sometimes in one state of mind, and by the time we got done, it might take another state of mind to finish it.
I love that.
So,
Yeah.
You worked on it in the emotional.
Approached it, like that.
But you finished it.
Yeah, with clarity.
Exactly.
I hope that when people listen to my songs, they can find hope within their future and believe in themselves, because that's how we change the world.
Waters every day make me feel some type of way, like I'm underground. Drowning in the space, can you see it on my face?
There we go. That was some full horsepower right there. Push, let's see.
Fill me in, pull me higher, high enough, so I be enough.